Hi and welcome to another product demo from fobfix.com. Today we're going to be adding a spare key to this 09 plate Clio 3. It's currently got one working key with it, which is this flip style key, which the chip inside this one is a PCF 7942. We're going to be adding this one, which is the same cut blade, and that is a PCF 7947. As long as either of them have the correct pre-coding, and you can cut and program those ones in, so it will take both. Currently this one is programmed to the vehicle, but this one, as you can tell, is not. So we'll just jump in. Try not to clobber this car next to me. Right. This is the currently programmed key. Pop it in the ignition and watch the little security light there. Turn the ignition on. Wait a few seconds, that goes off, and we can crank and start the vehicle. And if we take the unprogrammed key, pop that in the ignition, turn that on, security light flashes. Try and turn that, it does nothing. So keep the keys out of the ignition for this one. Standard FobFix programmer. The 4 switches on this one, but we only ever use switch 4 on these Renault programmers, because when you program keys to the vehicle, the first thing the programmer does is delete all the existing keys. So you need any old or new keys that you wish to add to the vehicle present in one programming session. So all the switches down lets us check how many keys are currently programmed. Now the OBD port on these Clio 3s, I'll just look, it's underneath here. There's usually a plastic panel with a finger hole to pull it down. It's missing on this vehicle, but that's where it is, just in front of the gear stick and above this the cup holder. So we'll just, with the keys out of the ignition, we'll just pop the programmer in and check how many keys are currently programmed. Now we know it's 1, but we'll just do that for the sake. Let me see if I can find the OBD port. Oh my goodness. Where are we? There we go. So 1 green beep just shows us we've got 1 key programmed. So pop that back out. Go to add key mode. And what will happen is the program will flash a few times, and then it'll start, it'll do the 1 blue beep to tell you we're in add key mode. Then after a few more seconds, it'll start beeping once per second, and it'll do that for 30 seconds. And that's basically to tell us we have those 30 seconds to insert and turn on the ignition with each key that we wish to program. So I'll show you that. Put that back in if I can find the port. It's a little bit tricky, but it's definitely down there. 1 blue beep for add key mode. There we go. Hear the little beeping. So we take each key in turn. Let's pop this one in first. You see the security light blink and go off almost immediately. Take that one out. Let's put this one in then. Same again. I'll just keep these 2 keys out until the programmer stops chirping. Like I said, approximately 30 seconds, you get 1 long beep, and then it'll count 2 keys programmed. And there we've finished. We can remove the programmer. We can test each of the keys. So the original one still working, and the new spare still working now. If we pop that one in the ignition, pop the clutch down, turn it on, wait a few seconds, security light now goes solid, then goes off, and we can start the vehicle with the new key. Happy days, hope you enjoyed. See you in the next one.